Hey guys, it's Marjon Carlos, your favorite auntie, and I just wanted to send a special shout out and thank you to the Piece of Cake family for helping me with my most recent move. I think we as New Yorkers know that moving in this city is, it's pretty chaotic, and moving in the holidays is a special kind of drama. And yeah, this move was no different, but Piece of Cake made it so much easier. The day that I was supposed to move, I actually had to reschedule because my move got pushed back. My apartment wasn't ready. And I called them up and I told them what was what. And they were so understanding, so cool, so patient, and so willing to work with me. It took me by surprise because nothing in this city is that cooperative, but Piece of Cake actually was. A couple weeks later, they arrived day of, on time, and ready to go. And we got working. The guys came in, they handled my furniture, my things with so much care, but they were also really efficient at the same time. And it was like a really cool dichotomy to see there. They really handled everything from my TV to my books to my furniture, just really well. It was amazing. And in a couple of hours they had packed up everything. I was so shocked. I was like, oh, my entire life is now packed up in this truck. Okay, cool. And then they unassembled my bed, which was iconic, truly, because I was like, I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't know how this is gonna happen. And then we got to the new place. They put everything where I wanted it to be, and they reassembled my bed. Like that. Yeah, literally like that. It was amazing. And for the fashion girlies, pro tip, get the garment boxes. They're amazing. Somehow they packed up my entire closet, which is extensive, and brought it all the way over here, and it was ready to go. Those boxes are amazing and genius. So I just want to say thank you so much to the Piece of Cake team for making this experience amazing, being so patient, understanding, helpful, on time, focused. It was incredible. And if you're in the New York area, you should definitely be using Piece of Cake for your next move. They made me feel right at home. Bye.